Alrighty traders, let's have a quick look around the actual markets today. Bit of a technical analysis, short-term technical analysis on what's happening right now in the markets and what we could expect. Let's get straight into it, guys. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so grab that free trading course, guys. You're going to absolutely love it, I promise you. The first video you get is actually a video walking you through my actual trading system if you like to learn my trading system, and then also a bit more about my backstory and so on and so forth. So go check all that out. Now let's actually start off with the Russell, and I'm going to get with indices, and then we're going to get through the gold and silver and the mining sector as well too. So short-term TA for this video only, guys. Let's actually start off with the actual Russell. The one thing I'm noticing with the Russell is that we are holding here much stronger than we have in the past few times. So if I bring up a chart through here, okay, what I mean by this level here is that the buyers are holding this up right now more than ever before, right? More than ever before. So what I mean by that is, as you can see here, check this out. So we can see here that we had this low, higher low, and potentially another higher low, right? But look at the last few legs in the markets. Look at the last few legs in the markets, okay? What did we have here? We had what? We had this down leg, so that was strong down. This other down leg was what? Very strong on the downside. What's this other leg? Now, I look at the angle of the market, or I look at the angle of the legs. The angle of the legs is the key, okay? So check this out. So if we see here, we have through here to there, right? See how the angle is strong down, right? Then we had from there to there, that's the angle. And then we have here to here, that's the other angle. Now, if this is strong down, sells are strong, but then we have this sort of angle, we can see that it's slow on the downside. What does that actually mean? Well, it means that the sellers are really strong here. Sellers are really strong here, but sellers are becoming much weaker here, and all the buyers are holding it up a lot more right now. So as you can see here, now what does that actually mean for us, right? It means that if we do start to hold here, because the sellers are much weaker here than the past, there could be a major shift is taking place right now in the Russell, where if the Russell does start to hold here and we start to pick back up and break above this level here, that's the shift that's starting to take place, right? Because we had up and we had down, we had up and we had down, and we had up, and now we're slowly going down. We could be getting ready for a big scoop up, and if we do that, break above the 225, then I believe the Russell could be getting ready for a big year. So there's the great shift, or there's a shift that's actually taking place right now in the market here. So that's on the Russell through there. Looking at the S&P 500, low, high, low, we held here, and now we're pushing to the upside. So this could be a false breakout move, right? This here could be a false breakout move where we get something like this going on with the markets, right? I wouldn't be too surprised if we actually did get something like that through there. Now, I definitely wouldn't want to be shorting that right now, but this could actually be a false breakout pattern in the markets. You can see the market's gone up sideways, but the really big thing that I'm noticing through here is it's creating a bit of a warning sign for me. Is look at my moving average, right? It's like there's something not right about this move right now anyway, right? What is this here? Okay, we had from there to there, there to there. Now see this move, see how the angle is there to there? What does that mean? This is a strong momentum, this is weak momentum. So there's a bit of a weakness of the momentum happening in the markets right now. Do you see this? Are you getting this? Right? So there's weakness in the markets right now when we're seeing this here. So that weakness overall could end up what? Could end up dragging this down a little bit more, or either we start to get the moving average start to pick up through here, and then we start to do that before we get going again. So this could be a bit of a false breakout pattern, guys, in the good old S&P 500. Let's go look at the Nasdaq. And the Nasdaq is actually, even though we're getting a bit of a move to the upside, No, not yet, right? We see low, high, low, high, low. We're right at this level of resistance. I just think we need a bit more time to hold through here for the next couple of weeks. I do see the bigger moves coming on the other side of the election, but for now, patience is the number one thing. But there's a great shift that's taken place. There's a false breakout move that I believe that's happening right now on there. Looking at the Dow Jones as well too. And look at the Dow Jones, right? Up, and then we had this sideways period through here, right? As you can see, up and then sideways, and now we're breaking to the upside here again as well too. I do believe that this is going to be some sort of false breakout move. Just by looking at this level here, up, down, up, sideways, there's probably, yeah, I believe this could be some sort of false breakout move. Now, false breakout moves meaning it comes back down and then it waits for a bit and then we start to head back up again, right? We might even wait through there. So I believe we need a bit more what's called an energy building phase, right? And we need a bit more of an energy building phase to get ready for another move to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys, when it comes to the Dow Jones. From there, let's go look at the silver market. And this is actually something I was talking about with me and my private clients, because every day, guys, every day I'm with my private clients every single day, right? We're going through the markets. I'm helping them, I'm coaching them, I'm guiding them, because, you know, there's a lot of different areas, right? There's the trading strategy, there's trading understanding, there's risk management, there's trade management, how to let your profits run, cut your losses short. All these different things, right? Coming back from mistakes and so on and so forth. So if you are interested in joining that group for the next 12 months, where I can coach you every single day and be part of that small group, it's only a small group of 15 to 20 people I take on every year. And I've got applications open up right now. There should be a link in the description there, guys. Click on that, go fill out the application form, and I'll speak to you real soon. But one thing I was talking about with my clients actually at the start of this week was about how I see silver and gold having a short-term drop in the markets, and that's exactly what we actually got, right? A couple of days ago I said we're probably going to get a short-term drop. This is exactly what we got here, but nothing has changed, right? Nothing has changed. We're getting a short-term drop, but what is happening through here? Up, down, high, low, up, down, high, low, up, down, right? High, low, high, low. I believe this is going to be just some form of another higher low in the markets from there. That's looking at the silver market here. Same for gold as well too. I said to my clients a few days ago that I believe gold is likely to start to see a move on the downside. That's exactly what we're starting to get right now. So we are getting this movement on the downside. And so I do believe we'll probably have a bit more downside to come out of gold. I believe that we're probably going to spend a few more weeks probably not doing much out of gold, and then I see a really big move coming in the later half, the later bit of this year, say next month and the month after. I have a 3,000 target overall with gold, but looking at this weekly chart, guys, again, if we understand how markets operate and how markets work, they go through phases, right? We go up for a bit, we go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 up. So what's coming soon, right? Down, 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 down. But in the context of high, low, high, low, high, low, it's probably going to just come down through here, because again, it's the way that markets operate and flow. We're probably going to go through that period through there, right? So, and also moving on now through to the mining sector. Mining sector hit the resistance level here. Major resistance level up through there. Hit the resistance, had a pullback. But it's just a short-term pullback, right, so far. Because we are still developing a really strong higher lows. We're right at this level of resistance right now. And now we can also see what? Right at this level of resistance, is still making these higher lows through here. So it just really depends on what comes out of this level through here, guys. Just looking at this now. Yeah, we are still in an upward trend, but we're at this major level of resistance through here. So I do believe actually we're probably going to need a bit more sort of sideways range through here. So I wouldn't be too surprised, guys, to see the moving average continue up like this through here, and then maybe for the next few weeks we get something like this, bit of a sideways, and then we start to get the breakout from there. So there we go, traders. That's what I'm seeing right now. Hope this helps you out, and I'll speak to you real soon.